In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Xero quote template. First, open Xero in your browser and head to the invoice settings page. Even though we're focusing on quotes, Xero groups quotes and invoices together under this area, so this is the right place to be. If you're not already signed in, look to the upper right of the screen and click Sign In, then log into the organization you want to work with. Make sure you have permission to edit templates for this organization. Once you're in, open the main navigation by clicking the dashboard drop-down at the top. From there, choose Settings. This will take you to the broader settings for your organization. Next, select Invoice Settings. Again, this is where Xero stores the custom templates that are used for invoices, quotes, credit notes, statements, and purchase orders. On the Invoice Settings page, scroll down until you reach the section for custom templates. This is where you can upload and manage your template files. Xero typically supports To Use Xero templates with merge fields, so it helps to have your quote template prepared in that format before you start. If you're not sure, check that your file is a docx and that it includes the placeholders you need for items like customer name, quote number, dates, and totals. Click Upload to begin. A file picker will open. Browse to the template you want to use for quotes. If you keep multiple templates, choose the one clearly labeled for quotes to avoid mixing it up with an invoice template. It's a good idea to use a clear file name like quote templates on current, so it's easy to identify later. If your team maintains templates for invoices, quotes, credit notes, statements, and purchase orders, this is also where those can be uploaded. But today, we're focusing on the quote template specifically. After selecting the correct file, confirm your choice and click Upload to complete the process. Xero will add the template to your organization. If your file is large or includes images, give it a moment to process. Once uploaded, the new quote template will be available the next time you create a quote. If you notice any formatting issues later, simply return to the same area and upload an updated version using the same steps. That's it. You've updated your Xero quote template by signing in, navigating through Dashboard to Settings, opening Invoice Settings, scrolling down to the Custom Templates area, uploading your To Use Xero, and confirming the upload. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you present polished, consistent quotes with ease.